Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show us how to spice and grill your chicken wings. So I've already cleaned it up, so it's all ready. So these are the spice I'm going to use for it. I'm going to mix them all up. Okay, I'm going to tell you the name of all the spice which I have right here. Those are the spice. Salt, I'm using salt, I'm using thyme, I'm using this Maggi sauce, like Maggi seasoning, then I'm using ginger powder, then I'm going to use this one no Maggi, and this is curry, and this is dry blended pepper, and this is turmeric. So those ingredients are what we have in here, and salt.